Good morning everyone, this is Kartikeya of 10th standard is now here to explain about today's topic, this pH scale. Do anyone know what is pH scale?
It indicates H plus ion concentration.
Yeah, so let's get into the topic. The scale is invented to measure the H plus ion concentration. We all know that if it is acid, it releases H plus ions, and if it is base, it releases OH minus ions. So in this term pH, which is meant by P is nothing but potence. It is a German word which is mean with what the meaning of potence is power. So the pH is inversely proportional to H plus ions and pH is directly proportional to OH minus ions. Now let's get in the formula of pH. pH is nothing but minus log H plus. In words to spell this is negative logarithm of H plus. Okay, that's simple. Now have you ever noticed that we all and when you relate to our nature, we all come across pH like see our body, within our body the pH range is 7 to 7.8, our body pH. If anything like change in pH scale, pH values, we may get attacked by disease like that. So in nature, yesterday have you all the rainfall occurred. See, like if the rainfall, the pH of rainfall is less than 5.6, then they are called acid rains, which also affects our ecosystem. Like they drain into rivers and we also all get affected by it. Now the pH in the soil, do you know, have you ever thought of what will the pH be in our grounds and like that? Because the plants also need, they are also living organisms, they are also very sensitive for the pH. The pH of soil, there is an activity to test. So when take the soil, collect soil from different areas and add some water to it and test it with pH scale, so that soil also should be good enough, containing of more more acidic nature of soil or more basic nature of soil. In that situations, plants cannot grow, isn't it? Yes. So the pH of the soil can be tested with pH paper. Now in our body, so we all know that in our stomach an acid called hydrochloric acid is released for digesting of our food. So in some situations we all might suffer with indigestion. It is because of that releasing of more HCl. In that cases, we will take antacids. A part of antacid is magnesium hydroxide, which is also known as mild base. If you will take that, it will decrease the concentration of H plus ions. HCl is an acid. So with this mild base, it can be neutralized, or you can be good enough to lower that pain of irritation in our stomach. Okay, that is the pH in our stomach, in our body. Okay, when it comes to our teeth, yes, you are right. Why our tooth decay will come? Do anyone know? It is also because of pH. See, when we eat something and we forget to brush, and the leftover food particles in our mouth, to eat them, some bacteria releases acids. With that, our tooth decay will occur. The tooth contains calcium hydroxypatate, which is in the crystal form. So that cannot be
calcium phosphate.
Yes, that is a crystal form of calcium phosphate. See, it is a hard material. Nothing can be done with water. But when the pH is less than or equal to 5.5, the corrosion of tooth will occur. So the reason you all brush the teeth, because paste is base. So when we brush our teeth with base and this more acid, it will become neutral, so that you can get out of suffering with tooth decays and all tooth related diseases. So brush your teeth daily before in the morning and after before going to bed, so that you can be healthy and good enough. So next, when coming to strong acid or weak acid, so this is we also know that if the H plus ion concentration is more, so that they are called strong acids. If H plus ion concentration is less, then they are called weak acid. So we can also test this with this litmus paper. This is pH paper. So to understand you, they come with some colors which indicates the concentration, whether it is an acid or base. See, this is scale, pH scale. After testing, we come to know with the change of color, we can know that they indicate that whether it is acid, whether it is strong acid, weak acid, base, strong base or weak base. Next, when it comes to self-defense, like when you go on extracting honey from honeybee, we can in those situations the honeybee come and bite you. It means you feel some irritation and pain. So to avoid that, you can go with some baking soda, which is mild base, which can stop you irritating and get out of this pain. So that's it for this. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Hope I utilized well and you got understood well. Thank you.